Hey, Jesse, thanks for joining us at such short notice.
Mr. Mayor, no problem.
Listen, call me Ralph, please.
Sure, Ralph. Well, you know, you can call me Jesse. What can I do for you?
Well, listen, I hear the Twilight series is going to be coming up here pretty soon, and I was kind of thumbing through my LPs, and I got some great suggestions for you. So maybe, how about Boz Scaggs?
Yeah, you know, I think we're trying to go for a little bit of younger audience this year.
How about Kenny Loggins?
Kenny Loggins. No, actually, we've already booked our lineup for this year. You know, we're starting out on July 10th with Ms. Lauryn Hill.
Oh yeah, she's fantastic. I remember from her early days with the Fugees.
You know, I think July 17th, we have TV on the Radio. You heard of those guys?
Yeah, I remember they were the opening act for the Nine Inch Nails, I think back in 05. I'm a big fan.
Then for July 24th, we have a really exciting show. We got Charles Bradley coming to town.
Charles Bradley coming to Salt Lake? That will be great.
I think this one you're going to be really excited for. July 31st, we got Wu-Tang Clan. What do you think about that?
I'm a big fan. Can you believe it's been more than 20 years since Protect Your Neck? Bring them on.
Well, August 7th, we have the Local Natives coming. That's going to be a good one as well.
Sure wish these locals were native to Salt Lake City.
On the 14th of August, I think that's going to be one of our best. We have Bat coming, which is going to be a really cool show. What do you think?
A bit of a change from his earlier work. Sea Change is my favorite.
On August 21st, we got De La Soul coming.
I can remember the first time I spun De La Soul, like it was yesterday.
We have a great show to end our season. August 28th, we have The Head and the Heart.
That'll be a great way to close out the season.
So it's sure going to be a great lineup, don't you think?
Oh yeah, I wouldn't miss, particularly the Wu-Tang Clan. Those guys are right up my alley.
I've been in years, so that's definitely.